Ah. Haha. Ah. This elegant weather creature. It's my distant cousin Xue Xiao. They're very cute. Like the smiling Mithriya Buddha. Like a shy little old woman. They are a type of owl. A bucket for a meal. But don't love labor. It's always bouncing around. Let's shake it. Well, they haven't liked it yet. Let's jump here. Ha 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 ha. The School family lives in the Arctic. School is a very single-minded and infatuated bird. Just like my cousin, only fall in love once in a lifetime. But we have to renegotiate it every year. The School couple are currently pregnant with 4 or 5 babies. In order to allow school mothers to look after their children with peace of mind at home, Dad Xiao goes out every day to catch unknown rats, to punish evil. He works at sunrise, sunset, very happy. The only fly in the ointment is, the North Pole right now is in a spinal period. The sun will stay in the sky for 2 months without leaving. So Dad Xiao only works at sunrise. No sunset. Xue Xiao's appearance is very high. If you give Xue Xiao's mother 80 points, then Dad is 90 points. And as the child of a beautiful couple, Snow Xiao baby will have at least 100. Negative 100 is divided into long-term sled cubs who eat a lot, eating several unknown rats every day. Xue Xiao's father is really tired, but how can the breadwinner not be tired? It's comforting to think about the baby at home. Seeing this briquettes, Dad crashes even more. I always feel that the relationship between husband and wife is no longer pure. A possible betrayal nearly broke him. But since I chose you, then love is pure. Stick to it. Never retreat. Fortunately, after a few months, the cubs are all grown up. Start exploring the world around you, with unswerving steps. They hold their heads high. Live. It's okay this time. Under the setting sun. At a young age. The cubs are walking slowly with their hands behind their backs. Just like my 80-year-old cousin. The stumbling snow flute continues to walk forward. Came to the second hurdle in life. A freezing cold river. However, for the snow flute that has already grown wings, it doesn't count. Shandong wings between the active tendons and bones. In one go. Give me a rush. Go down. The school has successfully shown us that. His superb swimming skills. Next comes our second little brother. He said that this small ditch also needs to fly. Watch me walk directly over. 1 2. 1 2 1. A little chilly. He goes back to the shore and he keeps flapping his wings to warm up. The ornithological philosopher Alfred Dorshaw once said, "One cannot step into the same river twice, so the last one doesn't count." This time he mustered the courage to try again. A jerk plunges into the water, steadily go back and forth. This wave of operation, Got a perfect score to be crushed to death. The real deal. The snow glue sets off again. 1, 2, 1, etc. This familiar temperature. Forget it, just rush. If you don't give up, you will definitely be able to do it. Hey little hay. Little hay little hay. Little hay little hay. Little hay little hay. Little hay little hay. After some freezing loneliness, our little brothers made it ashore. Ha 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 ha, he put his little hands on his back again. Towards the distant horizon, Xiao's mother, who witnessed all this with her own eyes, was very relieved. Her baby Xiao has finally grown up.